Hello children, in this video we are going to discuss about the common multiples and least common multiple, the familiar word LCM. Okay, so how to find out LCM and what is this LCM? First, what is this common multiples? Okay, so let us start then. So common multiples. Common multiples. First of all, you should remember the word multiple. Multiple means just easy word I'll tell you. Table. Okay. Multiple means table. Okay. So common multiples means if we give the two numbers, if we give any two numbers and if we ask to write the multiples, you write 5 table, you write 6 table. Okay. Multiples finished. Multiple means table. We have written 5 table and 6 table up to, suppose if you can write 10 multiples, means 5 ones, 5 tens, till 5 tens you can write. Okay, if the question is if we didn't give the how many multiples you have to write, you write till 5 tens 50 and put so on. Okay, if in the question it is mentioned that write 10 multiples, write 5 multiples, you need to write till 5 multiples, means 5 5 is 25 in that way. Okay, now here common. Okay, common means whatever numbers are there commonly between these two multiples. Okay, pick out the common numbers and those are your common multiples. Understood? So multiples means tables. First we should write tables. From them we should pick out the common things. That's it. Very easy, right? So let us discuss this. The multiples of 3 and 4. Here I took the example 3 and 4. So let me write 3 table first. 3 ones 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s 15, 3 4s 12, 3 5s 15, 3 6 18, 3 7s 21. Okay, in that way I wrote till 3 times 30. Now next multiple is 4. Okay, again 4 multiple, 4 ones 4, 4 2s 8, 4 3s 12, 4 4 16, 4 5s 20. Okay, in that way I have written this also till 40, 4 tens 40. Okay, now here what we have to pick out common numbers. So let me take the common things. 12 12 here, in both the multiples you have 12 common. Next number is 24. Okay, here next you will get it, but here I showed only till 10 multiples. Okay, so I can write the common multiples of both 3 and 4 as 12 comma 24 comma, that's why I have put here etc. Means there are some more common multiples. Okay, so next one is LCM. Okay, so what is this LCM? Simple. Multiple. Multiple means first we should write table. From the tables we can pick out the common things. From the common things we need to write the least one. Okay, whatever is the starting common multiple, that is your LCM. That's it. So table, from the given numbers tables we should pick out the common multiples. From the common multiples, whatever is the first common multiple, that is your LCM. Okay, so let us describe this. The least common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest of their common multiples, the lowest one. Okay, first we should write the multiples. From them we should pick out the common ones and from them you should take the lowest one. Okay, let me take the example. Same example I am taking here. So 3 multiples, 4 multiples. Take out the common multiples 12 and 24. Okay, so the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12 and 24, so on. Okay, now here what is the word we are using here? Least. Least means the smallest or lowest you can say. So with the least one is 12. Okay, so I can say the least common multiple is 12. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. That's it. First multiple, next common, next from that we got the least one. Clear, children? So now we'll discuss what are the methods of finding the LCM. Okay, we have two methods. One is prime factorization method and one is division method. Okay, let us discuss this one in detail by taking an example. The first one is prime factorization method. Okay, so here I gave some steps. Please follow these steps whenever you are finding the LCM of any 2 or 3 numbers. Okay, so let me give the first step. Express each number as a product of prime factors. Okay, whenever you are writing product of prime factors, you should do prime factorization. So that's why the method is called as prime factorization. Okay, suppose I gave two numbers 24 and 12, do prime factorization and whatever factors you got, write them as product like this, 2 into 2 into like this. Okay, okay, this is finished. Now next step is take the common factors of the given numbers. Okay, you need to pick out the common factors whatever are there. Okay, next take the extra factors of the given numbers. After picking the common factors, take the extra factors also, whatever are there extra here. Suppose I have 3 here, I have 11 here, and here I have some 2 like this and 5 like this. Okay, common I have 2 and 5, and extras I have here 3 and 11. Okay, first you in the second step you should pick out the common factors, then you should take out the extra factors also. Now what we should do with these two? LCM is found by product of all common prime factors of the given numbers and extra prime factors of the given numbers. Simple. Suppose here I told that we got 2 and 5 as common, so 2 into 5, and the extra things are 3 and 11. So multiply 3 and 11 also to this prime factors, common prime factors. So whatever product you got, that is your LCM. Okay, let me explain you this in detail with an example. So let me take an example. Find the LCM of 12 and 24. What is our first step? We should write the given numbers as product of prime factors. Product of prime factors is done only when you do prime factorization. Okay, so let us do the prime factorization of 12 first. So 2 6 times, 2 3 times, 3 1 time. Okay, now next 24 means 2 12 times, 2 6 times, 2 3 times, next 3 ones. Okay, now here first we should write the given numbers as product of prime factors, right? So let me write that first. Factors of 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3, and factors of 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now next step is we should pick out the common factors. So common, what are the common factors between these two numbers? 2, 2 and 3. Okay, now next step is we should take the extra factor also and multiply. Okay, so before going to that step, I'll take the common factors here. Common factors are 2 into 2 into 3. So what is our extra factor? 2, right? Now what is the last step? If you do the multiplication of common factors and the extra factor, you will get the LCM. That's it. So I'll get the LCM of 12 and 24 by multiplying the common factor and the extra factor. So I'll get 24. So I can write the LCM of 12 and 24 as 24. Okay, and one more easy way I'll tell you. This is your note. This is very, very important. If one of the two given numbers is a multiple of the other, then the greater number is the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Means, see here, if you take 12 and 24, 24 is 12 2's 24, right? When you will get 24, you will get 24 when 12 into 2. Okay, means if one of the given numbers, see here I gave these two numbers. Okay, if one of the two given numbers means this 24 is a multiple of the other. It is a multiple of 12, right? 12 2's 24. Multiple means table. In 12 table you will have 24, right? So then the greater number is the LCM of the given numbers. Then directly without doing the LCM also you can say that 24 is the LCM. Okay, suppose I have 6, 3 and 9. Okay, 3 and 9. I can, by seeing I can say that 9 is going in 3 table, right? 9 is a multiple of 3, means here I can directly say 9 is the LCM. Understood? Suppose I am taking 2 and 10. Okay, so 10 is a multiple of 2, so I can tell 10 is the LCM. Directly we can say. Okay, understood? So next is division method. Okay, let us discuss this also step by step. So steps to find out the LCM of given numbers. Step 1, arrange the given numbers in a row. Okay, whatever numbers are given, you should arrange them in a row. Okay, by giving commas in between. Okay, finished. Now next is, then divide by a least prime number which divides at least two of the given numbers and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible by that number if any. Okay, simple children. See, suppose I am taking 2, 4 and 9. Okay, here first step is arrange the given numbers in a row. I arrange them in a row. Finished. Then divide by a least prime number. We should take a least prime number here, and that number should divide at least two of the given numbers. We should take a least prime number here such that it should divide at least two of them from the given question. Okay, here 2 is there, 4 is there. I can take 2 table here, right? 2 is the least prime number. You need to take the prime numbers. Okay, so 2 ones, 2 twos, and next step is carry forward the numbers which are not divisible by that number if any. Here 9 is not divisible, so I can take 9 as it is. Understood? Now what is our next step? Repeat the process till no numbers have a common factor other than 1. Okay, you should repeat this process until you are having no common factors other than 1. If I see here 2, 9, I don't have any common factor here, so I can stop the process till here. And next step is LCM is the product of divisors and the remaining numbers. So you need to multiply these three numbers and this divisor. Understood? Let me explain this in detail. So let us take one example and find the LCM by using the division method. Okay. So what is our first step? We should arrange them in a row. Okay. So let me arrange them by separating with commas. Finished. Now here you should take one least prime number such that it divides at least two of them. Okay. It should divide at least two of them. Okay. So let me take 7 because 7 is a prime number which divides 21 and 35. Okay. No need to take here 3 or whatever it is. You can directly take 7 also because here I can say it divides 21, it divides 35, it divides 42 also. Okay, so I can take 7. So 7 3 is 21, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 are 42. Okay, now here if you see, again here you have 3 and 6, means I can take 3 table, right? So I should take 3 here. So 3 ones, 3 twos. Here 5 is not divisible, so I am carrying that 5 again. Okay. So here if you observe 2 and 5 are not having any common factor other than 1. It goes only in one table. These two goes only in one table. So I can stop my process here and I should multiply all these numbers. That's it. Okay. So let me multiply 7 into 3 into 5 into 2. No need to take 1 because 1 into anything will give you the same answer. So if you multiply 7 3 is 21, 21 into 10, 5 2 is 10, no? So 21 into 10 is 210. Okay. So first write the numbers in a row and take the prime number such that it divides at least 2. Not only 2, I am telling here at least 2. If 3 numbers are divisible by that respective prime number, you can take and divide. Okay. So you got here 3 and 6. Here again 3 and 6 will go in 3 tables. So I took 3 here and 1 5 2 you'll get whatever number is not divisible, carry that to the next step. Okay. And here you should continue the process till you get the numbers which doesn't have any common factor. Okay. And multiply all the divisors and the remaining numbers. Clear? So let me recall again. LCM means first you need to write the multiples of two given numbers and pick out the common multiples. From them you take the least one. Okay. So methods of LCM are prime factorization and division method. Okay. Prime factorization method simple. Just do the prime factorization and write the given numbers as product of the prime factors. From that you pick out the common factors and the remaining factors and multiply all of them. Okay. You will get the LCM of the given numbers. Now coming to the division method, you take whatever numbers are given in a row and take a prime number which divides at least two of the given numbers. Okay, whatever number is not divisible, carry forward to the next step. Okay, you should continue this process until you get two numbers or three numbers which are not having any common factor other than 1. Okay, now multiply all these divisors so that you'll get the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, so I hope you understood this video. If you understand, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.